domain. Now we are going to see about the three: gallium arsenide MESFET, gallium arsenide HEMT, and gallium arsenide HBT. First, gallium arsenide HEMT, MESFET. You know, it is a metal semiconductor field effect transistor. Ellame concept same da, but instead of using silicon, I'm going to use gallium arsenide, and it was exclusively used for MMIC, microwave regions. This transistor made out of gallium arsenide technology called as gallium arsenide MESFET was used for many years in MMIC applications. So it is easily fabricated. The fabric nowadays you see technology is very good and the fabrication is very clean. So you need not worry about the defects inside your circuit. So I can use technologies like ion implantation for high volume production, and these devices which are used when they are fabricated using these high profile technology will have a very good performance. The output power will be very good, the noise figure will be very good. The noise figure is how effectively your device is able to manage noise. The noise is unwanted thing for a device, right? The noise has to be rejected. When a noise figure is good, it means that the device is able to work well even in noisy environments. And the understanding இருந்தா போதும் உங்களுக்கு, because if we go too much into noise figure, you have to learn a lot of basics which you are now only in second semester, for which you will have no idea, right? So I'm just understand that when I say noise figure is very good, it means that when the device is placed in an environment where noise is very high or noise is very predominant, your device will intelligently helps in filtering the noise. And these MESFETs will have a gate length of 0.5 mm and are useful for operating up to 30 gigahertz. So 30 gigahertz falls on the microwave range, and these MESFETs will operate till 30 gigahertz without creating problems in your circuit. And gallium arsenide MESFETs are used for fabrication of general purpose low DC power, high RF power switching devices, and also for construction of enhancement and depletion mode. That's what you can manufacture all these amplifiers using gallium arsenide transistors. And also, I told you transistor can be used as an amplifier or a switch, right? So, and gallium arsenide is going to have a very good switching, very high switching capability, right? So, in that case, this gallium arsenide can be used for manufacturing switching devices also, both in enhancement mode and depletion mode.